Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to label a picture in Microsoft Word. Want to add a label to a picture in Microsoft Word, whether it's for a caption, a reference, or a description. I'll show you the best way to label images easily. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to insert and select the picture. And to do that, you're gonna have to create a new Word document and click on it, and then go to the insert section and click on it and choose picture. You can choose from you want to insert the picture from. For example, you can use this device, stock images, or online pictures. I'm gonna use this device, and then I'm gonna choose this picture for example, and I'm gonna insert it. Now after clicking on the image and selecting it and inserting it, the second step is to add a caption. And to do that, click the image and then go to reference tab, and here click on insert a caption. Let's look for the insert a caption here. There is an insert citation. Let's click on this, or you can, this is the insert caption right here, and type your label and click OK. For example, I'm gonna type label, and as you can see, the label, the caption has been inserted here. Now after you type in your label and click OK, the label will appear below the picture. The third step is to manually add a text box label for custom labels. And to do that, just go to insert and then go to text box and select a text box, and here you can write label, the label you want to write under the image. And as you can see, you can move this text box and move it depending on your need. You can adjust the font size and color for better visibility. Use the caption tool for automatic numbering, for example like figure 1, or group the images and text box to keep the label in place. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you label a picture in Word. Use captions for automatic labels or text boxes for flexible positioning. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.